In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to suppress emails in bulk using Klaviyo suppress profiles effectively within just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing marketing campaigns or handling newsletter subscriptions, knowing how to suppress specific emails can greatly enhance your list management and ensure your messages reach the right audience without increasing spam rates or encountering unintended recipients. First things first, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. If you're new to Klaviyo or haven't logged in recently, your login details are typically your email and the password you set up when creating the account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where you can manage all your communication needs. Next, direct your attention to the top navigation bar, where you'll see an option labeled Audience. Clicking on this will present you with more choices. What you're looking for is the Lists and Segments tab. This is essentially where all of your audience data is organized and stored within Klaviyo, and it's where we'll be operating today. Now, you'll need to find the specific list or segment that you want to suppress. It might be a list that has grown too large or has a number of unengaged subscribers. It's important to identify the correct list or segment to ensure the right group is targeted for suppression. Once you've located your list or segment, you're going to look for the action menu. It's typically represented by 3 dots or sometimes a gear icon, often located to the right of the list name. Clicking on this will present a drop-down menu with several options. What you're searching for in this list is the option to suppress current members. Selecting this option will flag those listed emails so that they are excluded from future communications until you decide otherwise. This step is crucial in managing the quality and relevancy of your outreach. Finally, the platform may prompt you with a confirmation pop-up asking if you'd like to proceed with the suppression. This is an important step as it confirms the action. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct list or segment for suppression. Once you're ready, go ahead and click Bulk Suppress to confirm your choice. By doing this, you've successfully used Klaviyo's bulk suppression feature. Congratulations! This step ensures that only engaged and interested recipients receive your mailings, helping to maintain strong deliverability rates and engagement levels. Whether you're pruning an unresponsive list or adjusting your target audience, mastering this process is a great asset in any marketer's toolkit. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial aids you in effective email management. See you in our next video.